Ting Baatar is a delegate to the upcoming 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China. He has spent decades helping improve the lives of herders in border areas while engaging in ecological protection. Born in Hohhot, the capital city of North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, in 1955, Ting left his hometown after graduating from senior high school and started to work in Saratuya village of Banner in 1974. In the ethnic Mongolian language, Saratuya means bright glow. But Ting remembers that life there was far from being bright at the time.
可是我没想到来的时候呢，那么穷，到冬天是什么样子？蒙古包在里头呢，全是窟窿，都能看着星星月亮。
The yurts where herders lived were poorly lit and had only patched felt. Many households did not even have decent bedding. In those years, Ting quickly adapted to pastoral life. At 21, he joined the CPC. In 1993, Ting began to work as the party secretary of Saratuya village.
给牧民出了一个办法，收入最高，支出最低，劳动强度最小，生态最好。不在于养得多，在于养得精。这样呢，才让牧民吧有很好的收入，劳动强度放下来。
Saratuya village is situated in a fragile ecological environment. For years, Ting took the lead planting trees in areas with serious desertification, building a sand cypress reserve and 2 yellow willow bases.
多种模式来解决这个生态问题，解决牧民生存问题、生活问题，让我们国家的生态更好，让我们的牧民更富。因为你当国家的党的20大党代表，这个分量特别重。
As a paragon of hard work, Ting received the July 1st Medal, the highest honor in the CPC in 2021. When it comes to his future plans, Ting says he will continue to devote himself to ecological protection and rural vitalization.